Okay, I'm making some bird food here. It's free bird food. I got my orange peelings, my apple peelings, old lettuce, old celery. I grind it up in the blender and then feed it to the birds. Got to stick one of these down in there and mix it around a little bit. But you don't need it purified. You just want it chopped up a little bit so they can eat it. See, I didn't add no water to it. Okay, so you have to use one of these to get it out because it's kind of thick. I used to just throw the peelings out, but I just started doing this. I thought they could pick it up, bring it back to the nest. It's free bird food because I peel my oranges, I peel my apples, apple cores.
Vicky out there in Arizona said they got oranges and grapefruit and lemon trees and all kind of stuff, and the birds come and they eat it.
Eat it right off the tree?
Yeah,
Wow.
sometimes. If it falls on the ground, she said they'll eat it off the ground.
So that's 2 oranges, 2 apples, and a little bit of celery left over. So I hope they eat celery, I suppose.
Oh yeah, it's a vegetable, they'll eat it.
And then I just sprinkle this on the ground around the bird feeder. Okay, see ya, bye.